15 steps to sell any house in less than 7 days. You're going to ask me, Mr. Vanel, are you sure? Yes. And what gives me this power to talk about real estate and to just say I am someone that do it already? It's because of my 10 years of experience in real estate. If I can do it in my country, Haiti, you can do it anywhere you live in the world. So don't find any excuse. Real estate changed my life. I've made over 500K in the last 10 years making real estate. So keep watching and I'm gonna give you my 15 step I use to make over 100,000 per year with real estate in sales. So anyone can do it if you follow all these steps that I'm gonna tell you in this video. You will need to save this video in your favorite, or you will have to share it somewhere so you don't miss this video, because this video will be a game changer. If you are a brand new real estate agent, this video is for you. Before we dive into this video, there is 5 things that you're gonna need, 4 to 5 things you're gonna need. The first thing will be a lock box. Why you will need a lock box? Just for the property that you're gonna list, you will have to lock the property, and you will have to have a digital lock box where you can give code or number to visitors so they can just receive the code if they want to make a tour in the building or on the apartment or the house that you want to sell. So you will need a lock box. The second thing you will need will be a for sale sign. A for sale sign will be necessary for this method to work. After, you will need some black white sign. What I mean some black white sign, at the end of the video you're gonna see why you need some black white sign. Keep watching. After, you're gonna need a marker. That is number 4, a marker just to write things on this. And after the marker, you will need 10 sticks. The sticks will be to put the sign in the yard of the house. So what is the steps, guys? Keep watching. Thank you so much if you keep watching, because this will help you know how to sell any house. Let me give you some fact. When I started in real estate, I was a full-time employee. So the first month in my real estate career, I make over 5,000 just by renting properties. It was very simple. I just contact some owner, they have the property, some landlord, they have the property available for rent, and I say I can rent them for you. And they ask me how, and I just take the pictures of the property and create a brand new Facebook page and share the property. And after, I share the posts in groups, and people keep calling me, and I rent them out and make 5,000 my first month in real estate. And after that, I keep making money with sales in real estate, selling a lot of great properties and make commission. So let me go dive in the 15th step. The first step will be write a good property description. A good property description will be crucial for you. You will have to talk to the landlord, the owner of the property, to give you all the details that you will need, like the construction year, the land measure. You have to have all information about the amount of square feet used to do this, to do that. So how many square meter the house construction take, or how much is the land in total in terms of square meters, things like that. And all the specs of the house, like the number of bedrooms, bathroom, kitchen, living room. You have to get a good idea about the property. Second step will be take good pictures. If you don't have a good camera, or you need to buy a camera, take good picture, good angles, good shot of the video. Third, you will have to send emails and text to buyer list. What I mean, send text to buyer list. If you have an existing people that contact you on WhatsApp or anywhere you have them, you have to create a group, to create some broadcast emails. Like you can use some autoresponder like a Weber or GetResponse to send them email about new property that you have. Or you can create a broadcast group on your WhatsApp on your phone, and you blast them with new properties so they can know about the property. So everyone that you have on your list will receive this. Number 4, you have to post your ads about the property on Craigslist. If you don't have Craigslist, you miss an opportunity. You have to post 15 different ads on Craigslist for the same property. 15 different ads, different angles, different type. You post 15 on Craigslist. Number 5, you can post on website. You can post on website like Backpage. Backpage will allow you to post like Craigslist. You can post your ads or the listing on Backpage. You can do the same 3 times or 2 times a day. You can post on Backpage. Maybe I know this page is no longer available, but they will redirect you to other page that is available for the same subject, and you can still post there. You can post. Number 6, post to sell point. Now sell point is no longer existed. You will see there is another website, a new website named WilllyFlow. WilllyFlow.com. WilllyFlow will be, when you go to sell point, WilllyFlow will allow you to do the same thing because it's the same website. 7, you will post to Postlets.com or Zillow. Zillow will allow you to post. I know everyone knows Zillow. Zillow.com. You post on them. Number 7, the same property. So you do all these things the same day you have the listing. Number 8, you have to make a virtual tour of the property. Take your phone, take a good video. If you have a drone, it will be better if you have a drone that can take the video for you. But if you don't have it, use a good phone or a good camera. Take a virtual tour of the property to put on the website that you're going to post it. But this video will be better if you post it on YouTube or on your Facebook wall. So you will have to create a personal page about real estate, and you post the video there, a virtual tour of the house. Number 9, you can post ads on Facebook. $5 ads. You go on Facebook, you create an ads, and you put the description of the house and the position where and the phone number, and you create $5 ads per day. You can do that for 1 week. Less, you just spend $50 for 1 week. Number 10, you can post on every day until the property sold. Keep posting. Number 11, place realtor sign in yard. You're gonna go to the house that you want to sell. You place the sign that I said you earlier to bring, a sign for sale sign. And after, number 12, you can place white sign in 4 corners of the house. You have the main sign, which is the for sale, but the 4 white sign that I said you to take earlier, you just write on them for sale, the same thing. You put it on all the 4 square of the yard of the house to sell. And number 13, if you are on an MLS, you can put it on MLS. If you don't have, you are not in MLS yet, you can contact any friend that is in MLS. They can put it for you. Maybe they will charge you. Give them the description to put on MLS listing for you. Number 14, place 5 direction sign. The white sign that you have, you will write for sale in the 5 right direction. So the sign will just bring people to the property. And the last thing, continue to market this product until it's sold. Trust me, you're gonna receive over 100 emails. People say, I'm interested. That is my secret to sell any properties. So guys, I hope this video bring you value. Make sure you like, comment, and the most importantly, share with your friends.